Hello YouTube fan out there. Today we're going to clean a computer without an air can cleaner. You're going to use an air compressor, one of these. Okay? These are good. You don't need them. Cost too much money. So all you have to do is, if you have an air compressor at home, you can clean your computer, the dust inside. Here we go. Just remember not to point the hose directly at the computer, because if you point directly to the computer monitor, the computer chips and all the motherboard parts, it's gonna damage. So you gotta point at the side, okay? Don't do directly at it. All right, you gotta keep it at the side. So here we go. Just push up one slowly. Don't squeeze too much.